Well, gentlemen, I'm back. And I'm back to tell you about the hoax Rolex letter that the boiler room secondary gray watch market, I believe, has written. You heard that right. There's your hoax Rolex letter by the boiler room secondary gray watch market. Gentlemen, to have a sucker rally, you must first find foolish people so that the fool and his money are easily parted. So don't get on the sucker rally wave. The watch market is dead. The watch market is dead. There it is. There's your hoax boiler room secondary gray watch market hoax Rolex letter. The watch market is dead. The watch market is dead.